Good morning, guys. Happy Vlogmas day 18. 1 week until Christmas. First things first, I hope everybody has a blessed day. New day, new blessings. I am getting ready to have a nice morning. It's so cold here in Jersey. It's like so windy. It's freezing out. So I'm going to make a big breakfast. Eggs, turkey, bacon, toast, coffee. And I'm going to relax a little bit, but I am going to build the coffee table today. I didn't want to build it since I'm waiting for the new furniture, but honestly, I can't help it. I need to build it now. I need to see how it's going to look. So we're going to do that. I don't know what else we're going to do because it's so cold and I really don't even want to leave the house. But we're just going to see where the day takes us and flow with that. So I just wanted to say I was eating breakfast and I decided to watch the Cardi B carpool karaoke. You need to watch this. Oh, I wish my camera would focus, but it sucks. You need to watch it. If you know me, you know I love some Cardi. And this was the funniest carpool I've ever seen. So real. I think that's one of the many reasons why I love her. She's just so real. It doesn't matter that she's famous and rich and all these crazy things now. I absolutely adore her. So you have to watch it. And let me tell you, it's been out for, I don't even know how many hours, but it's almost at 1 million views already. I can only imagine how far it's going to get. So I'm going to build a coffee table. I'm going to clean up the kitchen and do something with my life. Okay, so the camera died while I was building the coffee table, but I just continued on. I pushed through. It was super easy, and then when it came to the second layer, it got a little difficult, just like, you know, trying to screw in the nails and stuff like that, but it looks so good. So this is what it looks like. I just put that little, like, candle holder thing that I got from Marshall's, like, way long ago, just so it didn't look plain, but it actually even looks good with the old couch, so I am... Hey, little bubby. Hey, little handsome. I love you. So I spruced up the pillows and the cushion. I spruced up the pillows and the cushions just a little bit. I mean, this couch. This lighting isn't good for this couch. But I really love the way the table looks. I'll show you guys at this angle. Like, it's not too big where it's like making the living room look even smaller, but it just gives it like a little hint of, I don't know, a little hint of fanciness. And then if you're like sitting on the couch, it looks good. Love it. So now that that's up, I really want to see if we can get that wall clock up. I don't know where I want to put it, and I'm not about to like poke all these holes. I'm actually even debating on keeping it, which is so crazy. Like, I've literally wanted that wall clock forever. I saw it, I think, over the summer, and I was like, I need to get it, I need to get it. Now that I have it, I don't know. And it's really nice. Like, it's so beautiful. So, we'll think about that, but I'm so excited. Oh, I can't wait for the new couches. But I'm about to edit, and then edit today's video, which is yesterday's. I'm about to edit yesterday's video to upload today, and then I'm going to get ready for work. I look a little bummy, and yesterday I looked super bummy, so today I'm going to put a little bit of effort and maybe like do my hair I don't know if I'll put a little makeup on, we'll see, but I just want to, I don't know, feeling good. It's a nice Tuesday, I had a nice breakfast, getting stuff done around the house, so I'm in a good mood. So let's get editing because it's already a little bit past 11 and I really want to get my video up before work so I don't have to worry about it after work. And that's it. The gel still has to dry, but that's okay. It's just so crazy how different you look just by putting in a little bit of effort. Like, all I did was decide to do my hair, do a couple braids, nothing fancy, and I feel like I look completely different. I look awake. I look like I put in some effort, so that's really nice. But I'm about to eat some lunch, upload today's video, and then I think the only thing I'm going to do is probably see Etzel's reaction to the coffee table. I did mention to him that I was going to build it, but he didn't know if I was really going to do it or not. But I'm just going to show you guys one more peek because I just think it makes the living room, even though we don't even have the new couches, it just makes it look like a whole new living room and just like takes it up a notch, right? But that's what it's looking like. It's so cray-cray.